Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a stunning 5-bedroom, 5.5-bathroom home for sale. It is located in Grove Heights, Mandeville, Manchester, and sits on approximately 2/3 acre of land. This 3-story residence offers modern living with spacious interiors and porcelain tiles, large windows, and sleek finishes. Enjoy breathtaking mountain and city views from various vantage points. The home features covered parking and green spaces, perfect for outdoor activities. It is located on a quiet cul-de-sac, just 5 minutes from commercial areas like Mega Mart Supermarket and close to schools, offering the cool temperatures Mandeville is known for. Additionally, there is a 2-bedroom, 1.5-bathroom suite on the ground floor with its own entry, ideal for staff, in-laws, or as a rental unit. This home is perfect for a family seeking a serene yet convenient residence. Call for more details or to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 90 million or US $584,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.